And it's another day. I'm gonna try and take out this convoy. But first, before I go after the convoy, I am going to check my. She hasn't reached 12 kills yet. She's got 8 kills. I kind of want to let her get 12 kills before I go back to Boomer. Perks, however. I only have 2 perks? Really? Alright, I'm not going to worry about that then.
I'm going. More where that came from. Moving out. No, not the friendly guy. Who's that? Watch me. Reloading.
Alright, so what am I carrying now?
Not a bad life when you have something to fight for.
Alright, well,
On the move.
let's try and get this. I mean, I do want to blow that silo up, but I gotta take these guys out. Oh shit, a bull. And he is mounting that cow. Don't engage the bull, just run. Is she dead? Apparently it is. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, something burned.
Hostiles up ahead.
Kill me now! Don't stick too close together! I found him! It feels worse than it looks! Oh!
They've got nothing on us.
Finish me off! Feels worse than it looks!
I'm going there.
There's only one way to end your
We can do this.
father!
Reloading now.
Not a bad idea to hang on to that.
Okay, what do I got? else did I kill?
Getting a better angle.
Got eyes on some Peggies!
Okay, I got this guy.
I'm moving.
Alright, so we're going this way. Got enemies up here. But what? Okay, those are like the cows and whatnot.
Fucking cultist piece of shit!
Where? What cultist piece of shit?
I'm going.
I'm going over there.
Yeah, you guys can fight the bull. I'm going after.
Stay sharp.
Yeah, I know. Man, I want this. I want to get this guy done.
Everything's still in one piece and where it's supposed to be.
Well, me too. Although I've died a couple of times and come back from the dead. A couple of times. I've died half a dozen times here. If not a full dozen. Okay, this is the electricity place. It's our first mission together where you kept getting electrocuted.
I see trouble. Watch out.
Okay. Okay, oh my god, there's more of you still? This is gonna be a nightmare, man. And I got rid of my, oh man, I got rid of my other gun. Still got the proximities though.
Getting a better angle.
Help us get away from here.
Oh, you big time.
All right, man. Oh crap.
I'm moving.
What's this? Oh shit. Oh, no parts of no bear right now.
I'm going.
Oh crap.
I'm going over there.
I'm going this way. Think I only got one more truck to take out. We'll find out in a minute. I hope that was you back there blowing something up. Okay, I'm getting close. And there's two of them. Damn it.
Getting a better angle.
Man, close.
I'm going over there.
Got him. Damn it. That took a lot.
This could have gone. Glad it didn't.
John's got a small army guarding his ranch and airstrip. I know it'd be a big win for the Resistance if we could turn some of his toys against him.
Okay. I gotta get up to the bell tower there, huh?
I'm going.
I'm gonna go. Yes, it is. Okay, I got grenades just for walking through the door. That's kind of awesome. Okay, are those our guys or their guys? Looks like our guys, which is not good. Yeah, that's our guys.
On the move.
No, that's their guys. Well, I'm looking for the tower. I don't know how to get up there. Got no meds, man.
Don't worry. Climbing down. Cover me.
Throwing a grenade! I'm moving to higher ground. I don't see him.
They don't belong here.
I'm moving in.
Hold still.
These fuckers are going down. I'll go this way. Cover me. Climbing up. Good thing I still have it in me.
You must like trouble.
Grenade, get back!
Name's Grace.
You're gonna die here!
Appreciate it. Hey! Bell tower! How good of a shot are you? You listening?
Yes,
Okay.
I am.
Name's Grace. I got word someone was out making life miserable for the cult. You got good timing. See those graves down there? A couple war heroes buried here. My pops was one of them. The Peggies are trying to defile them. They're trying to erase our history, demoralize us, get us to break so we'll roll over. Not on my fucking watch. Ain't nobody gonna touch my pop's grave while I'm still breathing. I'm a good shot, but I need someone to watch my back. They'll be here any second.
Go to world map. All right.
Check southeast.
So,
We gotta stop the Peggies from burning down the whole valley.
I'm good up here. Get on the ground and I'll cover you.
all right, man. I don't want to do it this way. Get out of the way.
Use smoke bomb!
good. Eastbound.
East. West. East.
Got eyes on the trees! Watch my six! I'm gonna send those assholes out of here. Oh, that's it!
Shot right on your tombstone, sweetheart. Shoot over! I'm moving out!
All right.
Road, road.
Gotcha.
The road! Look at these heck!
We can do this, Dip.
Can't escape God! Got me!
More coming from the southeast.
Southeast. Okay, south.
Oh, shit balls! Go to work! All right, up close and personal. Moving out! Fire! Fire!
Goodbye, Peggy. I'm taking too much damage. Everyone fall back! This calls. I'm hit. They won't be getting up anymore.
It was my friend.
Step right up, assholes.
I got the flamethrower.
Shit! Gotta reload!
All right.
A small win, but they all add up. That was a small win, but they all add up, you know?
They do, baby.
I owe you. Not a lot of people would have stuck their neck out like that. Means a lot to me. My pops always said, as long as we keep believing in each other, there's still hope. If we stick together, look out for one another, cult will never break us. I ain't about to get all sappy and shit, but if you ever need help, give me a call. I got your back.
I want you on my team.
Didn't like that.
Okay. I'm going, and I'm going to put you in my team, babe.
Ready where you are. Watch your back.
You gotta help me.
New perk is available in perks menu. Acquire. What is it? Grace returns faster than after being injured. I don't need those yet. I don't need that yet. But I got 4 perk points. Which is Locksmith, I don't need. Sneaky Sprint, maybe. Nimble Fingers, it's now quicker to craft items, sabotage, or booby trap vehicles. Okay. Parachute, I still don't need. Alright, I'm gonna hold on to my perk points for now.
Pastor Jerome is selfish and misguided. And if he were a true man of God, his people wouldn't have left him in the first place. You, deputy, will still confess your sins. Because this is the will of the Father.
Safety go. Switch your position. Can't do anything from here.
Alright, so I need to loot these guys. If there's any left that I haven't looted.
Targets!
Alright, so we're full on ammo. We need a new quest. Now, Hope County Jail. That is really far away. Okay, I got the comic books and the cult outposts. So the closest one to me right now where is it though? It doesn't tell me where. Holland Valley. Alright.
I'm moving. Gonna get a better view. Trouble up ahead.
My hero.
Alright, so where are we going?
Now you die!
I sure could use an assist.
I'm on the move.
Get a car, you filthy upstairs! Motherfucker!
Better start looking.
I need some help.
Well, talk to me when I come talk to you.
Quit hiding, hell!
I saw you helped Grace. Was hoping you could help me too.
Get in the
Hey,
bed.
my people are still in trouble. Thanks. As I was saying, cultists are always baptizing folks down by the sacristy. Drowning, more like. We tried to take them out, but got caught. Now the cult has my squad. There's too many of them for me to deal with. Save them from the cult, then get them to a weapons cache I stashed across the river.
Okay, so it says collect all the comic books, but it doesn't tell me where the comic books are. And since it doesn't tell me where the comic books are, I'm not going to worry about it. So that one's nearby. Since that's nearby, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do that next. If I can figure out where it is. This way.
Change in position. We've got company. Halt it.
Well, still breathing.
Switch in position. Can't do anything for
Here we are. What the hell just happened?
We got Peggy's.
They're just making people disappear. My light flashed from my eyes there.
I see my chance!
Don't worry. I'm sure help's on the way. I don't want to die here.
Who's the other one? Where's the other one?
If you don't help me,
Every little bit
I'm
helps.
fucking toast.
Oh, dude.
God has a plan for me.
Alright, so where we gotta go? Escort them to... Okay, it doesn't... Where I gotta escort them to?
Not a good spot. I'm on move. Didn't see that coming. You fuckers! Get a better view.
Did one of them get killed? Fuck it.
Ready to engage. Getting a better angle.
All right, don't stop!
not a good spot. I'm on the move.
There's no getting away from the collapse center!
Down there somewhere in the valley. Can't believe I lost one.
I'm moving. Gonna get a better view.
Closing in.
Switch of position. Can't do anything from here.
Closing in on your weapons catch. Here we are.
A better angle.
Goddamn!
Alright, what else I got?
Gotta count your blessings.
Yeah, I guess you do. Did I just switch off? I don't have a sniper rifle anymore? Yeah, I do. I don't have a sniper
Guys are
rifle.
just bullies. Like 10-year-olds with guns.
Well,
Word is that John put you underwater.
he did. I didn't stay. Alright, what else am I gonna do, man? Okay, that one I can't do. I guess I'm gonna move in on this cult outpost over here, Seed Ranch. Which is here, okay. Alright, man, let's go do it. We'll keep my sniper lady.
You met Joseph and survived, which is a miracle.
Well, I'm headed this way. Alright, Snipes, let's go.
That was close.
I guess. You can swim faster than me? Great. What I going for? At least I kept my gun dry.
Them piggies are pissed.
I guess they are. I think I got a gun seller over here, but I also got enemies over here. I had enemies over there. Oh, there they are. They're on my radar.
Never thought this gun would get to see so much use. You look like you can handle a weapon.
I can handle a weapon. Oh, I got any loot? I got loot. Alright, let's do it. buy clothes. What do clothes do? Items. All right, let's buy. Collectible maps. A map of the comic books. Let's buy that.
Preppers.
You ain't a Peggy,
Just a bunch of
so you're okay in my books.
soldiers.
All right, we're gonna do that later. We're gonna do maybe we're gonna do the comic books as the next mission, but I gotta get those comic books because that lady's my future wife.
Hey, got a sec?
I do now.
I saw Peggy's heading toward the Rise airfield. With Kim being pregnant, they're gonna have a hard time running. They're gonna need help. We owe you big time.
Shit.
Can't do anything from here.
My dad always kept guns in the house. Should have followed his example.
Changing position.
Our family does not live up in the digital cloud. Our family does not send status
Not a good
updates.
spot. I'm on
Our
move.
family does not care what you were wearing. We only care that you are clothed. Our family does not care where or what you eat. We only care if you are strong. Our family knows the truth. And the truth is you are all special.
I'm moving. Gonna get a better view.
You are all fantastic and capable and wonderful. All you have to do is believe. You see the little world map. Call. All of us desperately searching.
Getting a better angle.
Why? Those are called. I have confidence. I have faith. I believe the well that you drink from.
Let Joseph down.
Not a good spot. I'm on the move.
And together we will march.
Changing position.
We have begun the preparation of our lives during the collapse. The Father tells us that God will salt this earth for 7 years, and only after will His new grow. Those unprepared will descend into madness, but we will
Stop these
rise.
sitting ducks out here.
For
I want to see movement.
claim every part of this
Let my aim be true and my hand faster than those who wish to harm me.
Cover me!
We can do this.
Medic!
Medic!
Backup's on its way! Just warming up. Got him.
Get down! Grenade! Changing position.
Tango spotted. Taking a hit!
Could use some help. What?
Backup's coming from the north!
Headshot.
Who else wants some?
All right. I like Sniper Girl. Speeder? What the hell is a speeder?
I hope you never see the end. The Laurels called in and told us their bunker had been compromised.
He's cute too.
They've abandoned it, but told us if we can get to it, we're welcome to anything we find down there.
Groovy.
After the cult is completely out of Hope County, we should level this place. And we wait from here.
Not sure I want to level the place. Dude, really? That's just creepy. What's wrong with you people?
Day like this, Blair can help us.
Okay, I got enemy on. Tracking an enemy. I don't want the arcade. No, I don't. It's a crappy ass game. I did suggest to John that we reap some helicopters and such to build the yes, but he said he picked all us builders to erect the sign because we had the most sin to atone for. Whatever.
Thanks for the help.
Crap about that. What's this?
Man, this is the most awesome game I've ever played.
Apparently that's a thing I'm supposed to do. I don't want to do it. I don't want to fly an airplane, but because I mean I don't like the I don't like the guns in this game. Why would I like the... Why would I want to fly an airplane?
This is fantastic. There's new stuff added all the time.
Be a friendly face. Hey, man. How you doing? Howdy, partner.
So we got... Do we loot anything that we need to sell? Yeah, we got a hunting magazine. Take one. Man, I go through the armor like nothing. Let's do something. Let's check.
Sending out planes and search parties after.
Next time you're that close to one of the seas, do us all a favor and end them.
Alright. So we did that. Seems like this is a good enough place to end the playthrough. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end the playthrough right here. First, I'm going to check my... Let's pick the next quest. So I can track this. I should be able to track this now. And I got 6 points now. Primal Mastery. Bows and slingshots. I don't care about that. Close combat, melee weapons, handguns. Auto repair, I don't care about that. Heavy weapons mastery, don't care about that. Parachute, don't care about that. Vehicle buster, I do care about that. Weapons pro, reload aim. Reduce animal attack damage. Acquire, what is this, for 6 points? For 5 points, repair torch. Fishing, I don't care about that. Okay, I'm gonna hang back, I'm gonna hold on to these. Alright. Map. Prepper stash. Prepper stash. Clutch Nixon. So I bought the comic book map, but I don't see the comic book. I don't get this. I paid money for that.
Damn it! Hello? It's Nick Rye. The cult's at our doorstep, and I think they're here for my plane. We can't hold out for long.
I'm gonna go for him next. That's what I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna go after Nick Rye, who is 700 away. Fine.
Heard you got away before they trapped you in the bunker.
Alright. That said, that is going to be a story. Whatever happens next for another day.
You get baptized.